would like to wish you all on National Voters' Day. India has a parliamentary form of governance. India has vibrant democracy in which people elected representatives through voting, beginning from local bodies, panchayats to parliament. However, corrupt politicians with criminal records, allegations of vote buying and caste-based politics has defeated the very purpose of democratic process. With the acceptance of universal adult suffrage, establishment of Indian Election Commission, India has tried to make election process free and fair. With an actual election, therefore, there are bound to be found many limitations and flaws. However, the experience of past 66 years has given rise to many suggestions and reforms in electoral process. The first past the post system, in which a person who gets highest votes is declared winner, should be changed. Rather, a minimum percentage of votes polled should be fixed so that no criminal can elect in the election and may win. And there should be special provisions to control the use of money in election, as they would bring transparency in the funding process, which would help to curb corruption. The promises or freebies provided or given free of charge, such as rice at low prices, laptops or bicycles given free of cost, should be restricted, as many political parties may continue to use these entitlements to win. Paid news disrupts the level playing field and circumvents the expenditure limits. This creates hurdle for Election Commission of India to conduct free, fair and transparent elections. Issuance of secret bonds. Its anonymous feature is that in which neither the political party nor the donor is obliged to reveal where the fund comes from, which defeats the fundamental principle of transparency. There should be a special provision to ensure that at least 1/3 of the women should participate in assemblies. The rise of illegitimate expenditure on vote buying has become a matter of great concern, as it is making only the rich to be more qualified to become an MA, MP or MLA over a well-qualified public-spirited person.